all competitive exams, 8 July 2021. Pertinent, adjective, relevant. Synonyms, to the point, opposite. Antonyms, irrelevant. Example sentence. She asked me a lot of very pertinent questions. Embellish, verb, elaborate. Synonyms, embroider, exaggerate. Antonyms, simplify. Example sentence. Followers often embellish stories about their heroes. Judicial, adjective, legal. Synonyms, judiciary, juridical. Antonyms, illegal. Example sentence. There would be a judicial inquiry into the allegations. Faction, noun, infighting. Synonyms, dissension, dissent. Antonyms, harmony. Example sentence. The army faction strengthened day by day. Desperate, adjective, despairing. Synonyms, hopeless, anguished. Antonyms, cheerful. Example sentence. As the supply of food ran out, people became desperate. Defiance, noun, resistance. Synonyms, opposition, confrontation. Antonyms, submission. Example sentence. Despite her defiance, her voice shook. Temerity, noun, audacity. Synonyms, boldness, nerve. Antonyms, shyness. Example sentence. No one had the temerity to question his conclusions. Setback, noun, problem. Setback, noun, problem. Synonyms, difficulty, issue. Antonyms, breakthrough. Example sentence. The violent attack was a serious setback for the peace process. Dissemination, noun, spreading. Synonyms, circulation, distribution. Antonyms, suppressing. Example sentence. The dissemination of public information was essential. Drab, adjective, colorless. Synonyms, grey, dull. Antonyms, bright. Example sentence. The landscape was drab and grey.